back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing to you how I did this nude makeup look. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. First, I will moisturize my face using the iWhite Korea Aqua Moisturizer. I really like this moisturizer because it is water-based and it doesn't leave a sticky feeling on your face.
What?
You can put more moisturizer if you want because the more the moisturize your face, the better. After moisturizing your face, you can now put your primer. I use the FX Mattifying primer because I do have an oily skin, so I will just concentrate it on the areas which I have open pores. Then you can now put your liquid foundation. I will be using the Maybelline Matte Poreless Liquid Foundation in Warm Nude shade. I will just apply it all over my face using my finger. And then I will just blend it well using a damp sponge. Just make sure you blend it well all over your face. And don't forget to blend it also on your neck as well. And now let's put the concealer. I will be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in medium shade. I will put it on my under eye area and on the T-zone. I will also put on the dark spots. I will also blend the concealer using the damp sponge that I have used a while ago. Just blend it well. Now, let's do our eyebrows using a medium brown pomade. So now, let's make the video more faster. I am using a duo brush from Anclux brushes, which has an eyebrow brush and a spoolie on the other side. So let's finish the other side. So let's set our eyebrows with the brow powder. I use a medium brown shade powder from my Pink Sugar eyebrow kit in Sassy Brown. Even though I use an eyebrow pomade, I used to set my brows with an eyebrow powder because I do have an oily skin, so they will not gonna oil up. Let's just do it on both eyebrows. Now, let's proceed on the eyes. For the primer, I use the Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base. Now, let's go back with my eyebrow kit. I use the lightest brown shade of the eyebrow powder as an eyeshadow for the transition shade. I will just put it all over my eyelids. Let's use the darkest brown shade of my Makeup Revolution palette, Iconic Newtrals 2. I will start on the outer V and blend it. Just concentrate on the outer V area of the eye, and then blend it inwards to the crease. Let's go back to my eyebrow kit and use the dark brown shade. Then just put it on the outer V area only. Now get a blender brush and blend all the eyeshadows to eliminate the dark edges. Now let's use the lightest shimmer shade of my Makeup Revolution palette. Put it to the inner corner up to the middle part of the eyelids and then blend it. Now, let's go back to the darkest brown shade of the Makeup Revolution palette, then put on the lower lash line. And now, the dark brown shade of my Pink Sugar Eyebrow Kit on top of the first dark brown shade. Put the lightest shimmer of the Makeup Revolution palette on the inner corner of the lower lash line. Let's now put liquid eyeliner. I am using the Careline Grab Ink Liner. It has felt tips, so it is very easy to use. I will not do a wing line, just a simple base for the false eyelashes. Let us now curl our lashes. And put mascara. I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Now let's put our false eyelashes. Ta-da! Now let's contour our face using the Pink Sugar HD Chic in Morocco shade. And don't forget the nose line. And for the blush on, I am using Shawill Terracotta Blusher in number 5. I highlight my face using Becca Highlighter in Opal shade. And last, for the lips, I am using my favorite Colourpop Ultamatte Liquid Lipstick in Timesquare. And that's it. Hope you like this makeup tutorial video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And to those who haven't subscribed on my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you are always updated on my latest uploads. Until on my next video, bye!